The battlefield is changing. Armor is vulnerable. Speed is survival. And Russia's answer? Motorcycles. In the drone-saturated terrain of eastern and southern Ukraine, Russia has shifted doctrine. Gone are the days of relying solely on BMPs, BTRs, and MRAPs to move infantry across contested ground. Instead, we're seeing a surge in light cavalry tactics, motorcycles, ATVs, and dirt bikes deployed in fast-moving squads across open terrain, tree lines, and trench networks. These units are lean, decentralized, and expendable. But Ukraine has countered with brutal efficiency. FPV drones, cheap, agile, and deadly, have become the dominant tool for frontline interdiction. Ukrainian drone teams, often operating from mobile command posts or camouflage dugouts, scan for movement across the front. A single thermal signature or dust trail is enough to trigger a kill chain. Within seconds, a drone is airborne, locked onto its target, and accelerating toward impact. Individual riders rarely survive. Packs are even easier to eliminate. The footage is relentless. Helmet cams, thermal overlays, and strike confirmations showing motorcycles torn apart mid-ride. Russia's reliance on motorcycles is not improvisation. It's systemic. In 2024, the Kremlin procured over 40,000 Chinese-made motorcycles, with plans to scale that number to 200,000 by the end of 2025. These are not military-grade vehicles. They're civilian platforms, often modified with reinforced frames, panniers for gear, and mounts for small arms or jamming equipment. The logic is simple. Armor attracts drones. Bikes outrun them. Motorcycle squads typically operate in formations of 6 to 8, each carrying 1 or 2 troops. Their roles vary: reconnaissance, flanking, casualty evacuation, and rapid assault. Some carry portable electronic warfare kits, designed to jam FPV signals or confuse drone guidance. Others operate as drone spotters, scanning the sky and terrain for incoming threats. But the effectiveness of these countermeasures is inconsistent. In most cases, speed and dispersion are the only real defenses. Training has adapted to match the new doctrine. Russia has converted over 200 training centers to support motorcycle warfare. Cadets now train on improvised motocross tracks, often carved into occupied territory. The Novosibirsk Command School has added motorcycle assault modules to its curriculum. Recruits rehearse high-speed dismounts, drone evasion maneuvers, and coordinated flanking attacks. Helmet cam footage from these drills shows riders weaving through smoke screens, executing rapid turns. Despite the losses, Russia continues to deploy motorcycle units aggressively. The calculus is cold. A motorcycle costs a fraction of an APC. A rider can be trained in days. The loss of a squad is tactically acceptable if it achieves a breakthrough or disrupts Ukrainian lines. This is attritional warfare, scaled, decentralized, and optimized for expendability. Ukraine, meanwhile, has leaned into drone warfare with unmatched precision. FPV teams operate in shifts, maintaining constant overwatch across key sectors. Some units have logged hundreds of confirmed kills in a single week. The drones themselves are evolving. Faster motors, better cameras, and more precise guidance systems. Operators now use real-time thermal overlays, AI-assisted tracking, and multi-drone coordination to hunt motorcycle squads. The result is a battlefield where movement equals risk, and speed is no longer a guarantee of survival. The strategic implications are profound. Russia's shift to motorcycles reflects a broader adaptation to drone-dominated terrain. It's a move toward decentralization, mobility, and tactical ambiguity. Units can reposition quickly, avoid detection, and exploit gaps in Ukrainian defenses, but it also signals vulnerability. When armor is sidelined and infantry rides exposed, the balance of power shifts to whoever controls the sky. Ukraine is responding with its own light vehicle deployments, ATVs, electric bikes, and drone hunting squads equipped with thermal scopes and jamming rifles. The battlefield is fragmenting. Large formations are rare. Engagements are fast, localized, and often decided by who sees who first. The shift to motorcycles isn't just about terrain, it's about tempo. Russian units are increasingly operating in fluid, decentralized formations, where command and control is maintained through short-range radio, drone relay, and visual signals. These squads aren't designed to hold ground. They're designed to probe, disrupt, and retreat. It's a style of warfare that prioritizes motion over mass and ambiguity over brute force. In some sectors, Russian motorcycle teams have been used to bait Ukrainian drone operators, drawing fire, revealing launch positions, and mapping drone coverage zones. It's a dangerous job, often fatal, but tactically useful. Other squads operate at night, using thermal camouflage and low-noise electric bikes to slip through gaps in Ukrainian lines. The goal isn't to win firefights, it's to create chaos, force redeployments, and stretch Ukrainian ISR assets thin. Ukraine has responded with layered drone defense networks. FPV operators now coordinate with fixed-wing scouts, loitering munitions, and ground-based thermal sensors to track motorcycle movement across multiple vectors. Some drone teams have begun using predictive targeting, anticipating likely routes and pre-positioning drones for ambush. It's a cat-and-mouse game, but the drones are faster, smarter, and more lethal with every iteration. This adaptation war is happening in real time. Every strike, every loss, every successful infiltration feeds back into the loop. Russia refines its tactics. Ukraine upgrades its drones. The battlefield becomes a laboratory, one where mobility, visibility, and survivability are constantly recalibrated. This isn't just a tactical shift, it's a transformation of mechanized warfare. The age of armor isn't over, but it's under siege. In the drone era, the battlefield belongs to the fast, the small, and the expendable. Russia's motorcycle surge is a glimpse into the future, a future where mobility trumps protection and every movement is a gamble. And for every rider on the road, there's a drone in the sky, watching, waiting, and ready.